In this tutorial I am going to show how to give a bokeh effect on your photo to the Snapseed. Now you can see this is the Snapseed. You can see there is a plus icon. Click on this first selected photo. I select this photo for this time. So you can see there is a some option, styles, tools and export. Now styles, you can see there some default effect for your photo. Now I leave it, go to the tools, and you can see there is some tools option, and you can see there is a tune image. Click on this and click on this. Now you can see there is another some option. You can see shadow, decrease the shadow of your image, and highlights also decrease, and you can see ambience in case, and saturation in case, and contrast in case. Click on OK. Now again go to the tools, and you can see there is a details, and you can see there is a structure decrease and sharpening always in case. Click on OK. Now go to the tools again. Now you can see there is a white balance. Click on it. You can see there is a temperature decrease to 16, and you can see there is a tint decrease, and you can see there is a vintage. Now you can see there is some default option, default effect for your photo. I check this all. Now I take this, and you can see there is a brightness, increase the brightness, and there is a saturation also increase. Now you can see style strength in case. Click on OK. Now go to the tools again. Now you can see the vicinity, and you can see there is a outer brightness decrease, and you can see inner brightness. Click on OK. Now go to the tools again. Now you can see there is a double exposure. Click on it. Now you can see there is a plus icon on gallery sign. Now you double exposure, and you can see there is a sign on gallery. Click on this for selected photo, and I going to take this bokeh effect, and you can find this bokeh from Google. You can go to Google and search the bokeh effect, and you can find it. I take this bokeh effect for this time, and you can see how look like it, and drag and drop and position what you want, and you can see there is opacity, and you can see there is a some option. So now I take this effect, and you can see there is a back tools, and you can see there is a view details. Click on it, and there is, you can see double exposure hour, and decrease to 0, and now you drag and drop it as the bokeh effect from your main object, means your photo. Now click on OK. Now you can see how look like our image. I hope you understand how to create a bokeh effect on your image, and you can give another effect. You can also decrease this, and also inner value in case it will be give more valuable creative effect for your photo. I hope you understand how to create a bokeh effect on Snapseed. If you understand, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.